Welcome back to Academy for Lean, your learning hub for Lean. Let's understand the nuts and bolts of logistics management. Dive into the world of Lean versus traditional logistics. It's simpler than you think. So what's the difference between Lean and traditional logistics? Let's break it down. Traditional logistics focuses on ensuring that products are available when needed, but it often involves overstocking and can be less responsive to changes. On the flip side, Lean logistics is all about efficiency. It aims to reduce waste, be it in time, effort, or inventory, ensuring that resources are only used as necessary. Imagine this. While traditional logistics might rent a huge warehouse to store extra stock just in case, Lean logistics uses precise data to predict exactly how much stock is needed and when. The result? Lean logistics can often deliver the same products faster, cheaper, and with fewer resources. So if you're a business looking to streamline operations and boost customer satisfaction, going lean might just be the way forward. Still, it's important to weigh the pros and cons based on your specific business needs. After all, the right approach can really drive your business forward.